Hi, this is Dennis Regling. We're getting ready to make a couple puppets here, and I've already got my patterns drawn out on my foam. I've got drawn out for two puppets. I have the hand there. I have the head patterns drawn out. Got my head patterns drawn out there. I'll be cutting those out. This is half-inch foam. We use half-inch foam for the head and for the hands, for the arms and the legs. This is 1-inch foam, and I'm using this for the body. I got my body pattern drawn out. I'll also be using it for cheeks and for eyebrow ridges. So I've got those drawn out, ready to be cut out. For the mouth plate, I'll be using foam core. Signboard. It's foam. It's got paper on both sides. Makes a very, very good mouth plate. So we're making our mouth plate out of that. I have some scrap cloth. I cover my mouth plate with scrap cloth for strength and durability. We'll be using some craft foam, thin craft foam for the tongue and different parts. I have some red felt. I use the red felt inside the mouth. You can also use black felt or any color felt. I'll be covering the puppets with fleece. And the fleece, this is a Antron fleece. It's kind of smooth on this side, fuzzy on this side. And it's hard to show the stretch. Get some weight there. But it does stretch, has some stretch to it. Let's also get a good tight cover on the puppet. So we'll be using Antron fleece. You could use polar fleece. You'll be needing some contact cement, and I have contact cement there. I use Barge. You can use Weldwood. A couple other brands are out there. This is spray adhesive. You can use various spray adhesives. I use those. I have my glue gun, so we'll be using hot glue. Got a good pair of sharp scissors. Those are for cloth. I've also got some older scissors, which I use on the foam. And I'll be explaining that foam dulls scissors, so you never use your good cloth scissors on the foam. But these are the basics I will need to make my puppets. And then we'll also need some 18 gauge wire that we put in the hands to make fingers posable. We'll be using some fur or yarn for hair, some plastic spoons for eyeballs, a few other miscellaneous things I will go through as we're assembling the puppet. I'll introduce those things, and there will be a resource list where you can order these things online or make your own little shopping list and go to Joann's or Michael's, and most of the things are available at your local hobby or fabric shop. So these are the things we're going to need to get started. And I'm going to get these cut out now. And once I get those cut out, we'll put together the heads and the bodies, and I'll show you how that's done. Okay, so we've got the 1-inch foam. We got the half-inch foam. And I guess that's chapter 1 of making a puppet, right?